we're going to do some log questions. So this question here is 2 log 4y is equal to c minus log 4x. And we use these constants later on. Okay, we need to show that y equals 4x to the minus a half. Okay, x to the minus a half I know is going to be 4 over the square root of x. Okay, so that's the answer I'm looking for. So here I use, for this side here, I can say that log 4y squared, because I can take the power, is equal to c log 4, because if we've got a base and a power, the number there, that's just 1, and I need that because I'm trying to get them all to be logs minus log 4x. Okay, and I can rearrange that. So that's, you'll get a mark for that, for 1 log rule, putting that there, and for this one, that's another log rule, that's probably 2 marks. So log 4 to the power c minus log 4x. Okay, and then I've got log 4y squared, and that will give me 1 divided by the other, log 4 of 4 to the power c over x. Now, because I've got logs on both sides, I can just get rid of it, and so therefore y has to equal 4c over x. Now, the initial condition said that y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, so that gives me 4 equals 4 to the c over 4, therefore 4 to the c equals 16. So if I substitute this now into that, I get y squared equals 16 over x, so y equals the square root of that, which is 4 over the square root of x, which is 4 to the x minus a half, which is what the question is asking for. You could write down here, which is what they ask here, or QED if you want to, it's up to you. The next question is solving, again, a solution, but in a slightly different format. You can do the same thing again, so log 4x squared minus log 4 100 equals 2 log 4 of 4, which is 0. And so I can say that log 4x squared minus, I'm going to put these in brackets here, log 4 100 plus log 4 squared equals 0. I'm taking the 2 minuses out so they plus together. So that gives me log 4x squared minus. Now these, one rule here is by adding the logs, I multiply the 2 numbers. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 100 is 1,600. So log 4 of 1,600 equals 0. Okay, and again, because it's negative, I'm going to divide. So log 4 of x squared over 1,600 equals 0. Okay, so now what I have to do is do the opposite of log, which is exponential. So what I'm trying to find is I'm trying to find the value that gives me of x squared over 1,600. That gives me, if I log it, gives me 0. Now, for all logs, the value here, which is equal to 0, this question mark is always equal to 1, and that's always the same for all logs. Okay, and so therefore I can say that x squared over 1,600 is equal to 1. Okay, and so therefore x squared is 1,600, and so therefore x is equal to 40. Okay, now it's not minus 40, and the reason is, if we go back up here, I can't have minus, I can have minus 40, it could be minus 40, sorry, or minus 40. Okay, I thought that was just x, not x squared. Okay, so I can have x is marked 40 or minus 40. Okay, that's the thing. If you get stuck anymore, come see me and I can do some other videos.